Hello everyone, today we are continuing the Feel Good Yoga series, and I had 10 minutes warm up for the dancers, and I claimed that you don't need any yoga mat for that, and my mom said maybe with your type of floor you don't need a yoga mat, but with my type of floor I needed a yoga mat. So I'm like, okay, fair enough, that's a good comment. So let's then pick the floor. The most natural floor, and if we don't need yoga mat here, then we don't need yoga mat anywhere. So we will here in this yoga sequence we will combine some elements from the moon salutation, sun salutation, a couple of balancing poses, so be ready to be challenged, and then we will just go to cool down. Very easy and a short flow. Okay. We will start by bringing our hands above our head. Spread your legs wide apart and start bending from side to the center, another side, and the center. This is a moon elemental movement, and it's actually very calming, at the same time energizing in a calming, non-agitative way. 2 more. Now bend your upper back and go forward, touching the ground. You can bend your knees in the beginning. Maybe it's your first yoga sequence in the day. Yes. Keep going. Maybe better idea is to tie your hair. Okay, hands at your chest. Now, bring your feet together. Your hands in a cactus shape. And go on your toes. Look in front of you to maintain the balance, and then remaining on your toes, not dropping the heels. Squat slowly, slowly, slowly down. Equally slowly go up. Everything is happening on your toes. You're not dropping your heels. Yes, and the last one. Now here we pause. We bring our hands down to the ground. I have many caterpillars here. And not dropping your heels, you're still on your toes. Go into the front bend. Breathe. Then step your right leg back. Right leg back. Let me stand like this so you can see me. Cactus your arms. And do small squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your hands above your head. Then, at the same time, your hands are going down and your back leg is lifting up into the airplane pose. This is our balance. If you feel like you can't hold this balance, you can occasionally drop your leg down just to feel the support of the ground. Otherwise, stay here. You can bring your hands in front of your head for the warrior 3 pose. Then slowly bring your leg up into the staff pose. Step your leg back, crescent lunge, and open up into warrior 2 with the left leg in front. One inhale, one exhale here. Reverse your warrior. One inhale, one exhale here. Then go into side angle. Reverse your warrior. Some mobility flow. Side angle. Reverse your warrior. Side angle. Reverse your warrior. And now one more balancing posture. Instead of going into side angle, we touch the ground with our left hand and lift our right foot up. We are in the half moon pose. One more balance. This one is a tad easier because we are using our hand for support. One inhale and exhale. Bring your knee towards your chest. Rotate yourself. Bring your feet to touch. Squat a little bit. Bring your hands up. Bring your hands in front of your chest. And twist to the left. Inhale, exhale. Hands up. Twist to the right. Hands up. Now left foot back. Hands in a cactus shape. And the same mini squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. And then shift your weight to the front foot. And lift yourself off the ground. Airplane pose. You can extend your arms forward for the warrior 3. Inhale, exhale. Slowly bring your left leg towards your chest. The staff pose. Bring it back and rotate to the warrior 2. Extend your hands. Reverse your warrior. Inhale and exhale. Side angle pose. Inhale and exhale. Reverse. Side angle. Reverse. Side angle. Reverse. Side angle. Now, drop your right hand to the ground, shift your weight onto the right leg and the right hand. We are in the Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. For balance, you can look down, otherwise, you can look up. Inhale and exhale here. And drag your left foot towards your chest. Drop it down. Then bend your knee generously. Shake your head from side to side. And slowly, one vertebra at a time, roll yourself up. Well done.